Okay, so we get to the bread and butter of project management. Now we're really deep into project management. And now we're going to talk about schedule management. Anytime you ask anyone to just imagine something about project management, they're immediately going to think about a schedule. A project manager hunched over the schedule trying to make things run quicker. Now, scheduling is a key part of project management. It is really important. And it's important that you plan it right. It's part of that planning phase. It's important that you plan things correctly because it will determine how the project will go. It will determine how the activities are sequenced, how long each activity will take. And all of these factors are part of what's known as a time management process. First, we need to plan. How are we going to develop the schedule for the process? How are we going to go about this? Basic planning, not what we're going to do, how we're going to do it. Next, we need to define activities. Think back to the work breakdown structure. Use that to your advantage. Your work breakdown structure has your activities listed, has your work packages listed. These are the activities that you need to perform to achieve the final deliverable. I've defined my activities, just like I pulled them from the work breakdown structure, but what is the order they need to proceed in? This is called sequencing activities. What order should these activities be performed? When I'm building a website, I need to design the homepage first before I can start putting content into it. When I'm building a house, I need to build the first floor first before I can build the second floor. This is called sequencing activities. Who's going to work on which activity? You need to estimate resources. Who's going to design the homepage? Who's going to migrate the content in? What are the resources we need to perform each activity? How long will each activity take? Estimating durations. Activity A will take me 12 weeks, B will take me 3 weeks, so on and so forth. From there, I can put all of this together into the schedule. The durations, the sequence, the people working on it, put it all together into one schedule. And then again, I control the schedule. We keep seeing monitor and control come up in so many areas of project management. Because in project management, you don't simply perform a task and let it go. That's it. I forget about it. No, I monitor and control it. I make sure that this task is performed to expectations. I'm going to control the schedule. I'm constantly going to keep an eye on the schedule. Hey, I see that we are scheduled for 12 weeks on task A. We're already 11 weeks in and we haven't made much progress. Monitoring the schedule. Okay. This is essentially the time management process. We're going to stop it here because I really want to break down the schedule management part of project management or scheduling in general into chunks so that we can follow along quite easily. So I'll stop it here. I'll see you on the next.